I'm Norman from Get Set Up. In this class, we're going to talk about managing your money, especially at the time when and after you retire. We're going to talk about what you can do with your savings, what your options are, and also when you can get senior discounts, which of course we all want to do. We also want to talk about how to personalize a money management plan that works for you, because everyone is unique. Everyone's situation is a bit different. Please note that we will not recommend any particular financial tools. This class is designed to give you a general picture of how to manage your money effectively and what options and tools are available to you to help you do that. I hope you can join us in this important class and become part of the Get Set Up community. Thank you.